Sting Alarm is a local fire and security integration company headquartered here in Las Vegas. The exciting thing about joining forces with Signal Fire was our ability to now offer security to Signal Fire's customers and also to be able to offer fire to our commercial customers. When Jaime and I started to first talk about joining forces, one of the main things that I really loved about his business was his dedication and attention to service excellence.
It allows us to provide our service excellence to a lot more customers. We want to have that connection with our customers. So if any of our customers need something, we want them to have a go-to here at Sting Alarm. We also make sure that all of our techs are certified. Our focus is to deliver 5-star service to all of our customers.
Investing in the infrastructure, investing in our network is going to be one of the big things that we're going to do.
I'm very excited to focus on building the best team, provide the best service, and provide the best products.
What the customer can expect is going to be world-class service. We're excited for this new chapter of the company and really excited for the opportunities to grow.